Good morning, team. It is Sunday morning. I think it's around like probably 11:30, and we are getting started in our day. I told you guys I was going to come back today, but last night we had some more rainfall, and our little house got nothing special, just a bunch of leaves, but a bunch of other houses got like trees and stuff that fell. Because of this cinematic view, you can't really tell, but right there, people are moving out all the debris from their yards. A bunch of trees fell, a bunch of lightning strikes. Our power went out, I guess, twice. Yeah, so it was quite a night. But you know what? It's cleared up again. We got a little bit of sunny weather here, and I want to get back out there and try again to make a little cash with the Spark. So I'm headed over to Walmart right now. We're gonna go late into the evening this time rather than just till like 11 a.m. And we're gonna go try and make some money. So let's go sparking and grab some orders. So I get pulled up to Walmart. We're here, and the clouds start building. You can't make this stuff up, man. Like, the rain just will not go away. That's all right. We're gonna see how well we do today. We're here. We're at the Wally World. We're here. Let's do this thing. Okay, not a bad start. We just got our first order. It's $17 going 5.9 miles, and it is a shop and deliver with about 20 items, 25 items. So let's go grab that. We'll get going, and yeah, Sunday fun day. All right. Got our cart put away. Let's jump in the truck here and head to deliver this order. Stacked up everything right here in the back. It's a decent sized order. Didn't take very long to grab everything. And I'm pretty sure that we're headed to a house. So that's awesome. I would much rather head to a house than an apartment any day. Let's get it delivered, and we'll come back and try for our next order. All right, so that was a super easy drop off, man, and I'm excited. Let's keep going. We gotta go back to Walmart. I know that days like this, and I saw in the last video, yesterday was, you know, I guess a failure in terms of earnings and potential, but today, you know, sometimes I saw a lot of comments that folks, you know, are frustrated with lots of drivers, you know, maybe a saturated market, those types of things. And I get that, I totally get that, but you know, some days are slow. Some days are slow and other days are better. So you just pick up from where you left off, and you just keep going. And today, hopefully, we will get that positive feedback with a couple of really good orders so that we can have a great day. So keep going. If you're stuck and in a rut, get back up, try again, and keep going. Okay, so I just accepted a batch shopping delivery. Now this one's a higher paying order, so it's like 41 bucks. It's only going about 5 miles, but it's 2 orders and both have about 20 something items. I'm hoping that they're small items, but I'm only going to use one cart, see if it works out. Should take me a little over an hour. So let's get it done, and that'll put us well ahead of what we did yesterday. So yeah, good day. Let's keep going. Okay, team, so that wasn't too bad. I will say it took a little while. We had 30 items in both orders, but for a $40 delivery going 5 miles, I can handle that. I kept everything separated in the carts. So there's one order here and then one order in the back. They're not huge, but one of the customers was like, can you go around and substitute this and this? He did it twice. And so that took me a little bit of time. I was like, if you don't mind, wait till the review and then I'll do my best. So, but we're headed to deliver these now. So let's get this made. And then with this order, I'll, in 2 orders, be well ahead of where I was yesterday. So that's awesome. Let's keep going. All right, 2 easy drop-offs. I was gonna film dropping everything off, but at both houses the customer came out. I typically don't try to film other people and put them on the channel unless they want to be. Yeah, not too bad, man. So that should put us like right at 60 for the day, which is in 2 orders, what, $20 more ahead than we were yesterday. So that's a great start to the day. Let's head back to Walmart, see if we can get a 3rd order, and see if we can get to 100 within, say, 4 orders. That would be super nice. All right. Okay, so usually I wouldn't take this kind of order because it's a pretty long distance, but this will put me over $100 within 3 orders. and it's a curbside pickup for over $46 going 24 miles. So I'm gonna call this a banger and a winner, because this will put us within 3 hours upwards of $100 plus. So let's head over to Walmart. We're gonna grab all 3 orders. It's not a lot of items. It's like 25 per order. So one will go in the trunk or the bed, one will go in the back seat, and one will come in the front seat. I'm gonna pick that one up and I'm gonna take it. And we will have not only made up for yesterday, we'll be on our way to middle 150 to 200 if we just keep going. I'm excited about this order. What a comeback, you know? A little bit of patience, a little bit of sunshine, and everything works out. Okay, so my guy back there, he just loaded us up, and we got one order here, one order in the back, and then one in the bed. The stickers were placed on the tops of the seats right there. We got a little bit of a drive here. I stepped inside to use the restroom because we're gonna drive about 25 miles. So let's get moving, get this one delivered, and then we'll kind of go over numbers afterwards. I think I'll keep going for the day, we'll find out, but this will put us well over 103 orders. I'm excited about that. Okay, let's hit the road. All right, second delivery done. Stepped at this place right here. Got everything off. We got one more delivery to make, and then we'll go over the numbers. I gotta get home and mow my lawn. Ha ha. All right, good old country living. All right, that was the third drop off. Finished over at this house over here. It's a trailer. I'm gonna turn this camera around just so I can show you guys the view. Live up there in this old trailer, and then they've got a view of a lake across. All right, Tubes, we'll call that a victory, man. So we finished at $111.84 for the day, and we did that in 3 hours and 42 minutes. I clocked that after pressing submit on the last bit of that order at the last drop off. So if you don't count the 30 minutes that we had to drive home, we finished in 3 hours and 42 minutes. And at 111, let's see what we made per hour. Just at $29.60 per hour. That's fantastic, man. What a great day. So now I'm headed back to the house because I want to get some lawn care done before it gets dark this afternoon. It's only, I think it's just barely after 4 o'clock, or it's right at 4 o'clock now. So let's head back to the house and I'll show you my driveway. Should be dry enough to cut, but then I look out here in the middle, it's nothing but puddles. I might have to wait. And I don't even know if we're gonna have another day of sunshine. That's all right. Our little slice of heaven over here. The view we get at night, the sun comes down over here. It's pretty nice. So Corey and I tend to sit on the back of the truck and watch the sun come down. It's pretty nice. Well, we'll see. I'm gonna spend the rest of my day hanging out with my wife, and I guess I'll catch you guys sometime this week in the next video. All right, I'll see you.